You ready to go to Amsterdam? We made it. We're here. It's pretty late though, so we're just taking the train to our Airbnb. We're gonna meet up with our buddy Jeremy. And that's a day. That's a wrap on the day.
Yeah, travel day in the bag.
We wake up tomorrow refreshed in Amsterdam.
All right, day one in Amsterdam.
Yes. We don't really have any plans. We're just gonna play it by ear and see what we get into.
Oh, the avocado show's right up there. Wanna go to the avocado restaurant?
Yeah, I feel like I need to stop by it. For those of you who don't know, I wrote a cookbook about avocados, so I feel like I must see what this place is all about. Oh yeah. The avocado is the bun. It's gonna be messy. Literally, it's an avocado cut in half, shoved with meat, sprinkled with some sesame seeds, and that's a burger, but my mouth isn't big enough, so this is a fork and knife situation. It's a good avocado. This is a cute idea. It's definitely like novelty central. It's fun. Those nachos. Cheese for men, eh? This lady likes it too. So the Cheese Museum is really less of a museum and more of just a cheese shop with like a little info session in the basement, but still cool and lots of samples of Gouda, the Dutch favorite, so it's not to love. Our Dutch friend recommended this spot to us, evidently all the best Dutch beers on tap. Into it.
How's he doing?
Everything good is a Jeremy. Anyway, cheers! Okay, this was a really good stop. I highly recommend this spot.
Beer. It's all about beer.
It's good beer.
Good beers, good tables.
By the canal.
Good tables outside by the canal.
Yep.
Pilsner, man. Try the Pilsner.
It's good.
No, try the pale slash sour.
Okay, or that.
Or that. It's pretty good too. Yeah.
Try them
Can't
all.
go wrong.
Okay, now we're gonna go take a boat tour.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, all right, let's go.
All right.
So many fun boats.
Fun boats.
I always prefer boats to non-boat action.
Yeah, I'm all about the water.
Yeah, oh yeah. I feel like we're gonna have to make sure you stay in the boat and don't jump
I'm not
in.
gonna go swimming. No, don't worry.
You can't drown like a food beer.
rooftop is popping off, and we're gonna get some beers before we get our noms. With just a few hours left in Amsterdam, we're gonna get our fill of arts and culture. We're gonna go to this beautiful museum right behind me. Okay, so we're not going to the museum. It's kind of expensive for like the hour we have to spend there. So we're gonna mosey on, but I have heard good things about that museum. So if you come to Amsterdam, check it out and let me know how it is. New plan, we're gonna go to the Moco Museum to see this Banksy exhibit. Should be pretty cool. So let's go in. Our Dutch friend told us that we have to get one food item at least while we're here, and that is crockets, something. Let's get some!
All right, so this is the best croquette in Amsterdam, so here you go.
Anything else? 350. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
That's good. Our friend told us this is the perfect 3 a.m. drunk food. I could see that. That's kind of true.
That was good. I would eat like 10 of those, especially if it was late at night and I'd had a few pints.
I've been dancing.
Yeah, and I think it just kind of goes to show that every culture has its own version of the fried, crunchy, meaty thing.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it. He's got to catch a flight. We've got to catch a train. So bye, Amsterdam. Don't forget to keep it quirky, Amsterdam.